Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2023 Kawasaki Ninja 1000 Sport Touring. This is the SX model, cruise control, only 1,444 miles, and this has a lot of nice upgrades. Heated electric grips, Kawasaki locking side cases, Akrapovic exhaust system, and again, only 1,444 miles. This bike is in beautiful showroom condition. It's also got the grip tape on the tank. Come on by, make your sport touring dreams come true for just $13,199. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.